So today we are going to be making this fire juice recipe with the main ingredient being pomegranate. And you'll never guess, red bell pepper. Let's make it. So we have some pomegranate. Now I had about 5 of these. I ended up just going ahead and de-seeding all of them, and this is what's left after I was munching them because I sure was tearing them up. I can't lie, I was tearing them up. Let's just start with a cup. Do a cup and a half. Y'all don't leave me with nothing. Ooh. I'm glad I just cleaned this counter because I'm about to eat those. Alright, so we got a cup and a half. I don't know how this combination is going to taste, but we got half of a red bell pepper, 1 kiwi with the skin on, just some leftover oranges that I had. 1, 2, 3. About 4 pieces of orange. And then we're gonna add in some lemon juice too. But we'll do that at the end. I think this is gonna be a delicious combination. I've never had it before, but I think it's gonna be great. The bell pepper is a little stuck here. The bell pepper taking a ride up in here. Let's just break this up a little bit. Since we have this already here, we're just going to add a tablespoon of lemon juice. We didn't really have much pulp, and that's because we didn't really do a whole lot, so that's good. Stir it up. There's a little cute juice, and it matches my pants almost. Oh, that bell pepper smells so good in here. Let's give it a little taste. That's delicious. That's really good. You can really taste the bell pepper. Now I wouldn't do this with a green one, but I'm sure if you used an orange one or a yellow one, it wouldn't matter. It would still be delicious. Damn, I don't know how many ounces it made. Sorry. I don't know. But y'all saw it. Oh, this is delicious. Y'all need to try this one. So that is all, you guys. I hope that you try this recipe out, and if you do, let me know down below in the comments. Do not be scared of the bell pepper.